Hey guys, it's Mr. Coach DJ here, and welcome to math class. Alright, so let's talk about independent and dependent variables. Now, in order to do that, you need to understand what a variable is. And all a variable is, it's a letter that represents an unknown number. Now, you may have already seen these as a form of X and Y, but be any letter of the alphabet, A through Z, doesn't matter. The only thing that you need to know, you need to understand, is that a variable just represents an unknown number that we don't know yet. So let's talk about independent and dependent variables. An independent variable is just that. It's independent. Doesn't require anything else to give it its value. It just is what it is. A dependent variable is the opposite. A dependent variable requires other things to happen in order for it to get its value. Let me explain that further. Let's say, for example, you were going to buy some packs of Pokemon cards, and you wanted to know what the total cost would be depending on how many packs you buy. So you have your total cost, which is your dependent variable. So the number of packs is independent. You decide how many you want to buy. You want to buy 5, you want to buy 10, you want to buy 2. It's independent. That's what you want to pick. Dependent variable, the cost can change depending on how many packs you choose. So it's dependent on this. So if I have my cost, we'll make C represent our dependent variable. Our cost equals, and let's say packs are $5 each. And then we'll say, we'll write P for Pokemon. Okay, Pokemon packs, for packs. So the cost equals 5 times P. $5 per pack, right? $5 our unit rate, basically, right? So if I decided I wanted 1 pack, right? And let's do this. So we have our, we'll say input, right? And we'll say our output. Seen this before. Okay? So if my input, which is P, is going to equal my output, is there. So if I bought 1 pack, right? This is 5 times P. 5 times 1. So 5 times 1 is 5. So my cost is going to be 5. All right, let's try a couple more. If I decided I wanted 4 packs, all right, 4 times 5 is 20. Let's say I wanted 7 packs. 7 times 5 is 35. If I wanted to buy 10 packs, it would be $50. So you have your independent variables, which is here, right? Independent. And then you have your dependent, which is here. So that's how we understand the difference between an independent and dependent variable. The independent variable is the number that's by itself, doesn't require anything else to give it its value. And the dependent variable is a number that requires other things to give it its value. Let me give you a couple more examples of equations that have independent and dependent variables. So as you can see, your dependent variables require something else to happen in order to get its value. Your independent variables will all have some sort of value, and then they can be affected by other numbers, which we call coefficients. And then you can add or subtract other numbers, which we call constants. They all go together to give you a dependent value, which is over here. I hope this helps you understand the difference between independent and dependent variables. You should be more comfortable with working with 2 variable linear equations, which I explained in another video. But that's it for this video. Thank you for being coachable. Drink water, and always take some notes.